about a nice personalized shirt?
That's better.
And a dapper personalized red ribbon, or a dozen or two of our fresh rainbow roses, or a giant plush rose. It's 6 feet tall. How about a birthday cake hat? How about something really special? How about a comfortable personalized pillow? You might have trouble walking after that. Maybe you should rest for a while.
I feel fine. I feel like singing.
Adrian, I can't seem to remember the name of your favorite love song. Seems the guy that wrote it, he got the words all wrong. Adrian, I can't seem to remember the name.
Order your sweetheart a song written just for her. For the big occasions in your life, birthdays, engagements, anniversaries, graduations, or any time, to order, visit BigPlush.com.
And my memory starts to fade away.